In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any 3GP file to MP3 format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type 3GP to MP3 MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the 3GP to MP3 converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your 3GP file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted MP3 file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted 3GP to MP3 in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.